Nestled on a steep mountainside in the foothills of the Himalayas above Rishikesh is a new Ayurvedic center called Veda 5. It's just been opened by a longtime friend, Madhav Anand. Madhav is a modern-day Swami. He's an entrepreneur, a connector, a remover of obstacles even, and an angel. Veda 5 provides beautiful Ayurvedic treatments that soothe, heal, and pamper. Divine Ayurvedic meals that delight and nourish, and an atmosphere that promotes rest, relaxation, rejuvenation, while beckoning you into contemplation and a conversation with nature and the essence of your being. I wanted to share this sacred place with you in my Monday Minute today, as I hope you one day have the opportunity to experience it. Perhaps you'll even join me when I bring a retreat group here next year. We are refreshed and renewed and soon head down into Rishikesh for the International Yoga Festival, where I am honored to present and also to sit at the feet of great saints and sages, including this year, the Dalai Lama. So for now, I send you blessings from the Himalaya mountains, from the banks of the sacred Ganges River, from the home of yoga, and from the center of my heart.